In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently save and use Quick Parts in Microsoft Outlook, a helpful feature that can make email management much quicker for busy users. So let's dive right in and streamline your email processes. First, open your Microsoft Outlook. This is your central hub for emails, calendar appointments, tasks, and more. Once you're in, you'll see a range of tools and features at your disposal. For today's task, we're going to focus on crafting and saving reusable text snippets in Outlook to save you time in the future. Get ready to enhance your email efficiency with Quick Parts. Now let's move on to composing your email. Click on New Email to start drafting a message. This will open a blank email where you can input your content. Imagine typing out a paragraph or a signature that you frequently use, something you wouldn't want to retype every time. This step is essential because the text you're about to input will be saved as a quick part, forming the core of your reusable content. Next, highlight the text you want to save. Precision is key here, so make sure you've selected the exact portion of text you wish to reuse. With your text selected, navigate to the top menu and click on Insert. Here you'll find a variety of options to customize your email, but for the purpose of this task, we are interested in the Quick Parts option. Clicking on Quick Parts will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. This is the crucial step where Outlook will memorize your text snippet for future reuse. A new window will pop up as you proceed. This window allows you to edit the name of your Quick Part, providing an opportunity to label it in a way that makes sense to you. A clear and descriptive name ensures that you can easily identify it later amidst other Quick Parts you may create. Once you've decided on the name, simply click OK. You're almost done now. Your selected text is securely saved in the Quick Parts Gallery, ready for future use. This feature is particularly beneficial for commonly used phrases, closing statements, or even disclaimers, anything that you might need access to on a regular basis. And that's it. You now have a Quick Part saved, ready to be inserted into any new email at a moment's notice. Just navigate to Insert, then Quick Parts, and click on the Quick Part you want to use. It's that simple. With this new tool in your email arsenal, you'll save time and streamline your communication process. That's all for today's video. I hope this guide helps you use Microsoft Outlook more effectively and boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.